Hey guys, I'm here in the shop today to bring you an unboxing of the Link ECU XtremeX. It's the baddest ECU you can buy. So let's look what's in the box. I'm upside down. There we go. So inside we have the Link ECU itself. These are the AMP Super Seal plugs that wire up to everything in your car. This is the serial connection for USB and a CAN connection. So in addition to, aside from the ECU itself, we've got a mounting plate, the USB cable, serial connection, and these badass stickers. Pretty serious stickers. Kind of a more papery sticker. I think that's a sticker. Yep. The quick start guide, which includes suggestions on how to wire the AMP Super Seals. Warranty information. And another sticker. This is available right now at ae-race.com, as well as the entire line of Link ECUs and AE Race engine management systems. Thanks for stopping by. Check it out.